Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa S. and I am a Design Community Canvassador, and today I received my Canva Swag box and I'm excited. So we're unboxing. Are you ready? Let's unbox. So I have to tell you that I'm really excited because I've been waiting to get my first Canva Swag box. And I purposely decided that I didn't want to see what was in it. So this will all be mostly a surprise to me. Okay. Oh, cool. So I have my Canva hat, and it's purple, which is my favorite color. Aw, hello there. We're absolutely thrilled to welcome you as a Canva Community Canvassador. We can't thank you enough for championing Canva and look forward to taking on crazy big goals together. As a little something special, we prepared this welcome kit for you. We look forward to seeing your reactions and unboxing videos. Well, this is my unboxing video. So again, we're starting with my purple Canva hat. I love purple. If you could see my phone, you would see that my phone is the same color. I have some Canva pins. Ooh, buttons. I have a Canva button. 2 buttons. Cool. 2 Canva buttons. It's my Canva shirt. I'm a Canvassador. And of course I have to have a notebook so I can put all my ideas and suggestions in. Wow. Okay. Well, thank you, Canva. And I am excited about being a Design Community Canvassador. This is my unboxing video. I have a hat, a shirt, a notebook, buttons, and pins. I'm ready. Thanks, Canva.